Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate stunning AI images for your designs using Canva's Magic Media, the latest and most powerful AI image tool available in 2025. Whether you're creating social media posts, presentations, posters, or any kind of visual project, Canva now makes it easier than ever to bring your imagination to life using artificial intelligence. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your computer or mobile device and log into your account. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a variety of design templates to choose from. For this tutorial, you can open any project you're working on or simply start with a blank canvas. Now, on the left sidebar, click on Apps. This section gives you access to Canva's extra creative tools. In the search bar, type Magic Media. When you see the Magic Media by Canva option appear, click on it to open the AI generation panel. This is where the real magic happens. In the text box, you'll see a prompt area where you can describe the kind of image you want to create. The more specific your description, the better the results will be. For example, if you want to create a professional business background, you could type something like modern office interior with natural light, minimalistic style. Or if you want something more artistic, try vibrant digital art of a futuristic city skyline at night. After typing your description, make sure to choose the image option under the Generate section. Canva Magic Media can also create videos, so double check you're on the Image tab. Next, click on the Generate button. Canva's AI will now process your prompt and create a few different image variations based on your description. This usually takes just a few seconds. Once your AI-generated images appear, you can scroll through them and choose the one that fits your design best. If none are perfect, you can tweak your description and try again. Maybe add more details about the colors, style, or perspective you want. When you found an image you love, simply click Use in Design and it will instantly appear on your canvas. From here, you can resize it, crop it, adjust brightness, add filters, or combine it with text and other graphics to complete your project. And that's it. You've just created an AI image using Canva Magic Media right inside Canva without needing any external tools. This feature is perfect for saving time, boosting creativity, and producing high-quality visuals tailored exactly to your needs. So go ahead, experiment with different prompts, mix styles, and discover how AI-powered design can transform the way you create. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more Canva tips, and share it with someone who loves design. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy designing.